Okay, good morning, student. We are learning in this session is a phylum 8 mollusca. What is the mollusca? Mollusca is a soft body organisms. We have to see the body is soft, bilateral, symmetrical, and little segmented. What said? See, body is soft. Okay, bilateral, symmetrical, and we have to see with a little segmentation, with little segmentation. See, we have to see the segmentation is more present in the arthropoda and annelida. Now we have to see that here is a little segmentation is present in these organisms, in this phyla. Next, we have to see the what is the, you already learned, it is a symmetry. See, we have to see the here, take organisms, it is a like a butterfly. See, in this butterfly, see, if you cut the only one plane, it will be two halves. So it will be two halves, right and left. We are calling the bilateral symmetrical. If you cut these organisms with the help of this, it is a bilateral symmetrical. Arthropoda, annelida, arthropoda, it is a mollusca. These are, and chordata, it is a bilateral symmetrical is a occurring. Okay, see, this is a bilateral symmetrical. Next, we have to see the has a little segmentation. Next, with appendages, the size of the body varies from the microscopic and so gained from such as octopus up to the 50 feet. Next, body is divisible into the three parts. Body is divisible into three parts. For example, what is the three parts? Head, hump, and foot. So it is a three parts is a dividing. For example, here is a head is there. See, for example, these organisms has a head. See, this like, okay, this like coming na, this like head. See, this is a head part. Next, we have to see the, this is a total is a hump. See, for example, we have to see the, this is a head. Okay, this is a foot. Okay, this is a totally hump. Okay, distinctness between the head, hump, foot. See this like, it is a, here also we have to see the chitins also. See, this is a hump, See, it is a down or lower side has a foot. Next, we have to see the phylum. So it is a body, foot, dorsal, visceral mass, and ventral body is covered with fold thin skin called the mantle, which secrete the hard calcareous cells of one or more species. See, we have to see the here. This upper side we are calling the mantle. See, this mantle is secreted by hard calcareous cells, calcium carbonate. So we have to see the mostly this side, upper side has a totally hard in nature, calcareous cells. It is made from calcium carbonate. It is made from calcium carbonate. Okay, it is a hard cells. Next, it is a locomotion by foot. Locomotion motion by foot. We have to see. Have you observed the pila? See, pila is a moving. See, this is a foot. It is a moving one place to another place. See, with the help of foot. Next, we have to see the body cavity is a hemocoel. True coelom is reduced and restricted to the peridi. So it is restricted to the pericardial cavity. The coelom of the it is a gonads nephridia is there. See, we have to see the body cavity is hemocoel. Body is hemocoel. Hemocoel, and the true coelom is reduced. True coelom is reduced. See, here is a true coelom is a reduced and pericardial cavity is there. The see this like. Next, we have to see the digestive system is a complete digestive system. Complete digestive system. See, here is a complete digestive system is there. Buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, and it is a anus. See, is the complete digestive system in these organisms. Respiration through gills. So it is a respiration through gills. See, mostly aquatic animals is a respiration through the gills. Next, terrestrial animals respiration through mantle. See this like respiration through gills. Next, we have to see the circulatory system. Open circulatory system. See which system is there? Circulatory system. So, open circulatory system. Open circulatory system. Open circulatory system is present. Next, we have to see the excretion by a pair of metanephridia or kidney. See how excretion by metanephridia. Metanephridia or kidney. Metanephridia or kidney. It is occurring the excretion in these organisms. Sexes. Sexes are a separate and aquatic. It is a mostly sexes are a separate, and see these organisms is a living in the aquatic, mostly marine, freshwater, and some terrestrial forms. We have to see the once again phylum 8 mollusca. It is a body is a soft is there, bilateral, symmetrical, and with little segmentation is present in these organisms. Body is divided into three parts. One is a head, hump, foot. See, next locomotion by foot, and body cavity is a hemocoel. True coelom is present here. True coelom is present, true coelom is reduced here. Next, complete digestive system is there. See, respiration through gills. See, circulation system, it is a open circulatory system. Excretion by metanephridia or kidney. So it is a using sexes or separate. See, mostly these organisms living in the water. So it is a terrestrial, fresh water. Okay. Okay. Next we have to see the this phylum mollusca. It is a main classes. 5 main classes is there. 5 main classes. One is a polyplecophora. What is polyplecophora? It is a cell composed of it is a calcareous pieces. See, we have to see that this is a chitin. It is a best example has a chitin this like. See, this is a chitin best example. See, we have to see the already done. Draw the this diagram. Okay. See here. See, best example is a chitin. Okay. Next we have to see the what said here. See, cell composed of 8 calcareous pieces. Okay. Next we have to go to the next class is a gastropoda. See, univalve cells and visceral mass are is a it is a spicily and coiled. It is a pila. We have to see the visceral mass is there. See, it is a example is a pila. Next, scapopoda. What is the scapopoda? So it is a scapopoda is a tusk-like tubular cell opens at both ends. Opens at both ends. We have to see the here. See, opens with both ends. See, this example is a dentalium. See, this is dentalium. This example. Next, see, Pelecyphoda. Pelecyphoda means cell consists of the two and lateral walls and hinge together mid dorsally. So it is a mid dorsally. We have to see these organisms like this one. Okay, see here. See this like organisms is there. Okay, this best example is a Univo. Best example is a Univo. Next we have to see the Cephalopoda. What is the Cephalopoda? Cell external and internal are absent. Next, foot alert into the series of sucker and bearing organs and to tentacles. We have to see the tentacles also is a present in octopus. We have to see that this is a octopus. Okay, this is a eyes, and here has a octopus. Tentacles is a present. See this like tentacles also present in octopus. Okay. See, best example is a octopus. Best example is a octopus. Okay. See, this is about the totally our it is a phylum 8 mollusca and main classes.